Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of cryptocurrency with a review of Shakepay, an app that's been making waves for a while now in the Canadian crypto community. Now, if you're looking to buy, sell, or even earn Bitcoin really easily for next to nothing, then stick around as we explore the features, the pros and cons, and actually check out in the app. First off, what exactly is Shakepay? Shakepay is a Canadian cryptocurrency platform that allows users to buy, sell, earn, and hold both Bitcoin and Ethereum. The app is designed to be user-friendly, making it perfect for both beginners and a good asset for seasoned traders. So we'll actually see an app in a minute, but the app is very user-friendly. It's very sleek, intuitive, and just straightforward. It's almost impossible for there to be user error in my opinion. Shakepay offers Shake Rewards. It's a daily reward that grows 5 Satoshis per day, and all you have to do is open the app and shake the phone, and I don't believe it has a cap. They also have their own Visa payment service that you can pay with using your phone, or you can also get a card mailed directly to you. Shakepay also promotes a referral program. For every person that you refer that ends up adding $100 to their account, you will both get $20. Shakepay allows you to fund your account instantly via Interact e-transfer, which makes it so easy to get started. Fun fact, this is actually the app I used when I bought Bitcoin for the first time in 2019. Shakepay is a no commission platform. So what does that mean? Well, as we can see down here, all incoming transactions have absolutely no fees. Ethereum and Bitcoin take about 20 minutes, which is pretty quick, especially for no fees. And for your outgoing transactions, there are, again, no fees on the e-transfer or the wire transfers, and there's minimal fees when it comes to crypto. As you can see here, Shakepay covers the network's fees, so you can pay them to, and the same thing when it comes to Ethereum. Now, when it comes to security, the app Shakepay takes security very seriously. They offer a couple different features like two-factor authentication to keep all your assets safe and secure. All right, let's check it out real quick. After you get it all installed, it's gonna look like this. It's very straightforward with just Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you can see in the top here, there is a streak counter, and after a little shake, you will receive your daily Bitcoins. So in total with Shakepay, we've earned 202,000 Satoshis, so that's worth about $202 signing up just for shakings. It's not bad. The buy and sell is very straightforward, just like any other app, or just like how you would expect. As you can see, very straightforward and user-friendly. Before we go, let's discuss the pros and the cons that I've found with Shakepay. The pros would be that it's easy to use, has a unique reward system that I have not found a limit scaling it. I got to a point where I was at 600 Satoshis a day, and then I had a technical error where I couldn't get to it for one day. It was a sad day. It has extremely fast funding options, and there are no purchase fees. Now, the cons that I find with Shakepay is it has extremely limited cryptocurrency options. They currently only have Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it has been that way since I started using the app in 2019. Withdrawal fees do apply, which can be a downside, but they're not really withdrawal fees, they're just network fees, so that is to be quite expected. And the only other con I could really find is some users report an occasional app glitch. I went through and checked out other user feedback. Overall, it's pretty positive, as you can see here with 4.2 stars. Many users appreciate the simplicity and the ability to earn Bitcoin just from shaking their phone. However, some mention that they wish there could be more coins. So, is Shakepay worth it? If you're a beginner or someone looking for a straightforward way to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'd say absolutely. I've personally used the platform for years and haven't had any technical issues, and as you saw, we've earned $200. The reward system adds a fun twist that keeps users engaged. Just keep in mind the limitations of the cryptocurrency options. Until next time. Peace.